Hi students, JEE Main 2021 aspirants. Welcome to Whichchem YouTube channel. You are in the premier Whichchem YouTube channel, which is entitled for the chemistry preparation for JEE Mains as well as NEET preparation. And here the video lectures are from class 11th to class 12th, applicable for board exams as well as for JEE Mains and NEET and advanced exam as well. And this is the probably only YouTube channel which video lectures are only in easy English explanation. So if you are having any problem in chemistry, you can consult Whichchem YouTube channel. And coming to that current topic, many students have applied the JEE Mains 2021. At the same time, many people have done the greatest mistakes. Lot of mistakes have been done. So today is the 23rd is the last day after extending also. 23rd is the last day, and if you have made any mistakes and made some payment also, then there are some things may not be corrected. So in this video I'm going to tell you what are the things you can correct after 23rd, and correction window will be open by the 27th. So to give you latest updates about the JEE Mains, kindly subscribe and press bell icon, and don't hesitate to forward to your friends so that they can also be benefited with the good information. Already we have made a video, complete explanatory video in the easy English language, how to apply. Still if you are not applied, then you can go through that video. I will give you in the description box, and it is applicable only for today. And 27th onwards you will be able to correct. If you made any mistake, then there is no problem. The correction window will be open, and what are the things you can correct and how you have to approach and what corrections need you to pay, that all I am going to tell you, that too in easy English. Let's start. Okay, common mistakes. First of all, the very common mistake during the typing. So even after so many information, so many times it is told in my video lectures and as well as in the explanation video. So people are using the mobile. That's why there is some mistakes happening. So try to utilize the laptop or system and go to cyber cafe to apply at least for during the corrections. Okay. So first thing, incorrect name or name. Okay, that is spelling mistakes in the name of wrong surname. Okay. Second, incorrect date of birth. These are the mistakes done during the general mistakes done during the application form. You may be one of you. Okay, it may be one of you made by you also. So check it carefully and don't skip the video till the last. Okay. So, and after the video you can give we have a one shot video lectures on all chapters, so you can go through that so that you can score can be improved after correction mistakes. Okay. So wrong academic details, that is marks calculation, percentage calculation. Second is discrepancy in section of personal details. So next, incorrect signature, picture that is not clear. 85% should be occupied by the person, and remaining 15% can be background. So there are some lot of mistakes. These are the general mistakes done by the most of the students. Okay. Now what are the corrections allowed when the correction window is open? Then what will be the corrections allowed? Okay, and what you have to pay, how you have to pay, that all I will tell you, so don't skip the video. Okay. So personal details can be corrected, then academic details can be corrected, then change of the paper. Most of the students are not worried about not knowing about paper 1, paper 2. So paper 1 is JEE Mains and paper 2 is BARC or B planning. So because of that, so many students selected paper 2 thinking that that is the second shift paper. Okay, so it is not second shift paper, paper 2 is something else. So you can change it in the correction window. Next, language in which applicant wishes to write the examination, and this time many languages also introduced, local languages also. So better to go for English, because most of the books and explanatory explanation is done in English, and some terminology you may not be knowing in your own mother tongue. That will be creating a problem during the examination. Okay. Next, name of the candidate, state of the eligibility, date of birth, category from which that is general to special category and special category or reserved category to general. Okay, so these are the mistakes you can recover, you can make in the correction window. Okay, now let's see the next one. So there are some payment you have to make. Okay, so the applicant will have to pay certain amount of fee. So that amount of fee and paying link, and for what correction, how much it is going to be done, and that complete correction fee is going to be online only. So as you have made payment online in the application, same thing will be done during the correction also, but it is not yet open. It will be opened by the 27th. Okay, so if any changes are there, if anything new update will come, I will definitely intimate you, but you have to subscribe, and sometimes I will be giving you through the notification. So to get the notification, what you have to do, you have to simply subscribe and press bell icon, and then you can understand what are the latest information, and study guide also I will be providing, study tips also. Okay, so what are the things you have to pay, that is decided now, but fee is not decided. Way of correction payment link and correction window is not yet open. So but once it is opened, I will intimate you. Okay, so coming to the selecting both paper 1 and 2, paper 1, paper 1, 2. So if you are done by mistake, that amount will be transferred to you. Okay, so suppose you have selected both 1 and 2, but you wanted only paper 1, so that paper 2 fees whatever you have paid extra, that will be given back to the same account from which you have paid. So try to pay from your own account. If you are paying through somebody's account, then amount will be given back to that account, and it is applicable for the all 4 also. Okay, so those who are selected all 4 but don't want that to write some second chance or third chance or fourth chance, that amount will be deducted and amount will be given back to the same account, but that procedure is entirely different. Okay, if you are not able to attend or don't want to attend any of the 4 sessions, then you have to send an application. That format also and that procedure also I will explain in the separate video, so don't hesitate to subscribe this channel. Okay, so next, changing the category from general to general or unreserved to reserved category, that is SC, ST, OBC and OBC and etc. OBC, NCL. Okay, so general to reserved only you have to pay, not reserved to general you need not to pay. And if you wanted some money back once you wanted to write only paper 1, so these are the things which is going to be available in the correction window for payment. Okay, so I think all of you understood the whatever I told you. Still if you got any doubt in confusion in JEE mains, don't hesitate to write to me in comment section. I will try to definitely reply to your comments. Thank you, bye bye. I hope all of you like this video. If not, kindly like this video and share this video to all your classmates. Thank you. All the best for your JEE mains.